Episode 4 of my home tip series. Hate wasting food? Well, I'm always trying to see how I can get the food to last longer in the fridge and not go off so quickly. So several months ago, I came across some hacks on the internet and I tried it with cherry tomatoes, cucumber and coriander, and these actually work. Let me show you. Ensure that your dish is completely dry. Then you pop in your tomatoes. Don't wash them. Pop a lid on them. And this will last in the fridge a lot longer than if you just left them in the bag. So with the cucumber, you just pop it in the bag. With a spoon, just an ordinary stainless steel spoon. Seal the bag. Make sure it's well sealed, and that you just put in the fridge, and the cucumber miraculously lasts longer than if you just popped the cut cucumber in the fridge without anything. So you just put some water in a glass, and then you take the stems of your coriander or cilantro and pop it in. And then you put that in the fridge, and that should help it last a lot longer than keeping it in the bag. So follow for more home tips.